Take your call center to levels you've never seen before with Sonata Suite. Obtain several benefits that will help you boost customer satisfaction and make sure that your business runs smoothly. Sonata Suite is the ideal solution for modern call centers that require a dependable, feature-rich platform to manage their customer interactions. It provides 5 of the most looked-after features in call centers to maximize their efficiency and customer service. Sonata Switchboard to supervise your call center in real time with ease. Sonata Stats for insights and statistics of your call center processes. Sonata Recordings to control the quality of your agents and customer interactions. Sonata Dialer for the most effective way to stay in touch with your clients. And Sonata Billing when you need a top-of-the-line call accounting system to monitor your business. Combined all together, you will get a powerful call center system with VitalPBX so you can start winning on your business. With the right strategies and tools in place, you can take customer service efforts to new heights and increase satisfaction levels across all departments. Get the Sonata Suite with your call center or Carrier Plus plan today.